How to be thankful to God for everything. Being thankful to God for everything involves cultivating a habitual, daily mindset of gratitude, even during difficult times, by focusing on His character and blessings rather than circumstances. Key practices include starting the day with prayer, keeping a gratitude journal, and acknowledging God's sovereignty and presence in all situations, viewing trials as opportunities for growth. Here are practical ways to express gratitude to God. Adopt a daily thanks habit. Begin each day by listing 3 things you are grateful for before looking at your phone. Keep a gratitude journal. Write down 5 to 10 blessings daily, including small, easily overlooked things like safety, shelter, or a good conversation. Thank God in all circumstances. The goal is to thank God in every situation, not necessarily for the tragedy itself, acknowledging that He can bring good out of bad. Focus on God's character. Instead of focusing on what you lack, thank God for His goodness, love, faithfulness, and mercy. Give a sacrifice of praise. Intentionally express thanks during times of sadness or trial, which helps overcome bitterness. Reflect on past grace. Remind yourself of past struggles where God provided support and brought you through, encouraging a grateful heart for His continuous presence. These practices are designed to shift your focus from what is lacking to the abundance of what is present.